Hello guys, Devjyoti here from abcdev.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how to design a very beautiful website by using Avada WordPress theme. Okay, here as you can see that is a very beautiful menu, and this is a slider with text, and after that there is the About Us session. Here is some image, when you hover on it you can see some zoom effect is there. Okay, and after that there is some content box with some icon, and here is that meet my shapes means the person one, and here it is with colorable social media icon. Okay, and after that is the gallery actually, and it is with light box actually, and here is the testimonials. After that there is called the Avada flip blocks. Okay, when you hover on it the content will be displayed in background. Okay, and I use some border radius to look it more beautiful. Here is the blog session. Okay, when you click on this the full block will be visible like that, and you can see the deleted post also here. So, and the last one is that there is the Google map, and there is the contact us from, and here you can see some footer, and in footer downside I use some customization to change the text. Okay, and when you can see that when you scroll on the particular session the following menu also get highlighted. Means when I come in About Us session, this you can see that About Us menu get highlighted. When I come in that sub session, then you can see this one is get highlighted, and when you click on this the particular session you can see some smooth scrolling effect also. Okay, like that. So let's start. Here I am going to make this project in local server. So here I am using AMP or XAMP, whatever you can tell this server actually. So for that you have to Google XAMP, and in the first link you have to click it. After that you have, if you use that Windows, then you have to download any one actually. You can use the latest one. So latest one is this one. Here in for this project I am using this 7.2.14 this version actually, and if you use the Linux you can use this one, and if you use the Mac then you can download this one. Okay, so after installing it will look like that, the some control panel or AMP control panel whatever. So after that you have to on this Apache and MySQL. Okay, after that you have to type that localhost. When you this page will open. After that you have to click in this PHP my admin. Here I have to create a new database. So here I am giving the name as Avada 2, and after that click on create. Now what I have to do, you have to come in for the Windows I am telling actually, you have to come in C drive. So for that my PC in C drive XAMP or AMP, in between htdocs, in between you have to take a new folder. I am giving a name as Avada 2. Okay, Avada 2. Now you have to come in that wordpress.org. now you have to download this Get WordPress. When you click on it, it will also showing that to download the WordPress. After clicking, one zip file will be downloaded, and you have to extract that. I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So this is that. After compress, it will come like that, and after extract this will come like that. So copy all the thing, and come to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, Avada. Here you have to paste everything. Okay, so after that you have to come in WP content. Here you can see the theme option. So here what to do, I already buy the Avada theme, so that is the Avada theme. So just copy it here. Okay, now you have to install this. For installation you have to comment localhost / Avada 2, enter. So it's WordPress telling to select the language. I need the English one, so continue. Let's go. Here the database name I'm giving that Avada 2. Okay, the name should be same like Avada 2. Okay, Avada 2. Username here I'm giving root, not interested to give any password, localhost, and you can change the table prefix. So after that submit, run the installation. After that site title I'm giving that Avada 2. Or Avada tutorial. Okay, and after that password I'm giving as admin. I'll recommend you to give some strong password. Okay, and you have to give the mail ID. Okay, install the WordPress. Okay, it's done here. Now you can log in now. After login, what you have to do, after login you have to activate the Avada theme. So for that, appearance theme, in that you can see that Avada, you have to activate it. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it's done. After that, this is Avada dashboard. Installing the plugin. So go manage plugin, or you can click in this plugin option also. So it's telling that the Fusion Core and Fusion Builder, these two plugins should be installed. So here you can install this too. Actually I have to install this Fusion Core, Fusion Builder. Here I am going to use that. Actually this slider revolution I don't need. Actually if you need, you can this slider revolution, layer slider, and if you going to make some e-commerce project, then WooCommerce you have to install it, and this is for SEO purpose. Okay, and this is, I recommend you to, if you it's a dummy project only. For your project I must recommend to use that Ghost SEO, because it will help to increase the ranking. Okay, and contact form 7, that's also I need it. So start from this, one by one I have to install everything, so it will take time. So I'll do one thing, after installing and activating all the plugin I'll come back. So here you can see I already downloaded this Fusion Core and Fusion Builder, and here contact form 7. Apart from that I need another plugin, so for that come in plugin, add new. I need this one, column shortcodes. Yeah, this one, column shortcodes, but code pen. Install it and activate it. activate it now. Okay, after that you come in this page, and I don't need this 2 page, so move to test. Now add a new page, name as home, publish. Here I want to tell you one thing, don't keep it as default template if you want this full width. Okay, so in my design actually there is some full width session should be there, so I'm changing in the full width, and here this page title bar I'm keeping at height. Okay, after doing this to change, just update it. And come to home this pages, because I doesn't want to keep the remaining pages, only home is enough. So just move to trust and apply. Now come back to the setting. In setting, reading, and I want this home page should be this home. Okay, and save the change. Now come back to the page, home, you can see how it's look like now. Okay, you can see there is nothing is there, only that Avada logo is displaying, and remaining nothing is displaying here. So to change this logo, what you have to do, you have to come in this Avada theme option, here you can see this logo. In header you can see, I want this type actually, this type should be, the logo should be in middle and item should be in both side. So select this one and save change, and after that come in the logo, so I have to upload the logo. So select file. Now here you can see the logo, that is my logo. Okay, let's open and select. For the remaining everything you have to select the same thing, upload. For the mobile also select and save change. Now if you refresh it, you can check your logo gets changed here. I think I have to design the menu, then only the logo may become. So now I have to design the menu. Give the menu name, main menu, create the menu, click in this option and add to menu. I need some custom link also, like about us. An idea I'm giving here. Has about. After that, our steps, and idea I'm giving here has steps, add menu. After that, our menu, and I'm giving the menu as URL as has menus. After that, testimonials, and here URL I'm giving like has testimonials. After that, blog, and URL I'm giving as has blog, and the last one is contact us. And here I'm giving as has contact. Save the menu. I forgot to mention one thing. Yeah, you have to click in this also in the main navigation. Save it. Now check how it's look like. Okay, here now I want to change some heading style, so Avada and theme option. I want this header should display like that in this way. So save the change and check. Yeah, it's coming perfectly now. So you can see the logo is come in middle and remaining in like in both side. So after that, what I have to add? I have to add that slider. So for that, you have to come in this fusion slider. In that, add new. So name as home, and here background type as image only, and the content alignment should be center. So heading area, I'm giving this text. Okay, and heading separator, I'm giving a single solid. Heading text should be h1, and here I'm giving this caption area, some random text. I'm keeping as h3 only, and let's change this text of the bottom. So like what to write, like no more or something. Here also change that bottom text like about us. Okay, and set the feature image, upload file. Let's do one thing, upload all the images, because every time it will take time. I'll come back after all the images get uploaded. So here I'm selecting these images, publish. Similarly, add new slide. You can center heading area and giving this text. Same thing, please do it again, and I have to give some content. Okay, do the same thing. No more, and about us. I have to change to select some picture image. Let's take this one and set the picture image. After that, publish. Now give the slider name as some home. Shortcode I'm giving as home. I want full screen slider, yes. Slide indicator. Peregrinations cycle. Yeah, I want this display navigation arrow should be yes, and autoplay. Yeah, I want that should be loop should be infinity. Sliding speed 7000 is okay, you can change it, or animation speed also you can change it if you want. Now add slide. Okay, so home is added here. Now what I have to do, again click in this fusion slider. Okay, I forgot to give the name. I'm giving the name as home 2, sorry, home 2, and here in this fusion slider I'm clicking in the home update. For another one also I have to do the same thing. Data updation complete, yes. For the home also I have to do the same. I have to click in this home and update it. After come back to the page, this page home, and in the slider session you have to select no slider. Here I am not giving the fusion slider, so fusion slider and name is home. Okay, so keep remaining as it is, update it and check the preview. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, it's coming perfect. Acha, one thing you can observe, this text, the link is the text size is very smaller. So for that what you have to do, come to the theme option, in that menu yeah, this font size increase as 18 pixel, and if you want to change the color then you can change from here. Okay, so save the change. If you refresh it now, you can see that font size should be larger. Yeah, it's perfectly now. Okay, right. So now what I have to do, I have to design that about us session. So now come back to the page and home, after that edit with Fusion Builder. Okay, click here. So I need a container. First of all, click this one. Okay, so here this is for edit this container actually. So click here, and here I need a background color. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in this background. Here the select color option is there. I need this color. Okay, and save it. After that, I have to add the column. Okay, I'm taking one, this full width column, and here scroll down, there you can see that text box. Yeah, here it is, text box. Okay, so in that, what I have to do, I have to write that about us. So about you capital us. Okay, I need this should be in heading 1 and bold, and should be text line should be center, and save it. After that, I need another column, and I want half should be image and half should be text. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This one means, okay, here I need the first will be filled with some random text. So again come to text box. Okay, and in this I want a heading and I want some random text. So this is the heading, and after that let's take some random text, and this is so heading 1 and bold. Okay, so save it. Let's update it and check it how it's look like now. So preview changes. So here you can see that about us text is coming and heading also come, and I need some images now. But one thing you can observe, this difference between this this starting of that session and about us, I need some padding. So for the padding, what I have to do, I have to come back here and again click in this, and in design session you can see the padding option here. So I need top should be 70 pixel padding, and down by default you can mention it, else as you can see here it's by default is 30 pixel already. Okay, so just save it. Okay, now I have to add some images here. Okay, so click here and type search for image. Yeah, image. In this upload image. Okay, I need this one. So and here I need the full size. Okay, and insert it. And if you want some effect, means glow or hover or something, here you can see in hover type effect and zoom in. Okay, so when you hover it should be like zoomed up, and if you want to add the border radius you can add this, and align should be center. Okay, I doesn't need the light box effect, so keep as it is and save it. Now, and for this session give the name, name of this name of menu anchor. Here I am giving it about, so it's the ID name actually. Okay, so it will link with the menu direct. Save it. Now update it and check it how it's look like. Review the changes. Yeah, it's perfect now. But here you can see one thing, there is some extra space here and there. In top section also you can see this, some space is there, and in bottom side also you can see some space is there. Okay, for that you can do inspect element, and you can see the padding. This for the main there is an ID, and for that padding bottom and top is there, so for that it is coming. So you just copy from here, okay, and come to that Avada theme option. There should be some custom CSS option should be there, and downside you can see some custom CSS, and just paste it and make this 0 pixel and 0 pixel. Now save the change. Let's check now. So refresh it. This gap should be vanished now. Yeah, it's perfect now. Okay, so after that take another, let's check the original website which I am designing. So that is the website I am designing. So after about a session I have to design this one, means for how to be famous, like that. Okay, so come here and again page, home, I have to take another container, add another container, empty one, and here I have to add one column of full width, and here I have to give one text box. Okay, and so that is our title, and it's already center aligned, and heading 1 and bold. Okay, save it. After that what I have to do, I need another column, and as you can see in the original website, so I need 3 column in a row. Okay, so I have to add another column, and 1/3 this one. Okay, so here I need that content box. Okay, in this content box what is there, add a new one, delete this. Okay, so here I have to mention the title, and I have to select any icon. I want the icon of the fresh leaf. This is the fresh leaf icon, and after that I have to choose the icon color also. this is the icon color I want, and after that come down, and that is the content. So I need this text, and save it. And let's update it. Check the preview. Okay, it's come perfect. So now I need another 3, so just copy it or clone it 2 times and drag them in this 2. Okay, so now what I have to do, just change the title like home delivery, and I need the track icon. Okay, this is the icon, and save it and keep another thing same. And for the last one, like drinks available, and here I need some drink icon, drink glass. And this should be fine, I think. Okay, so save it. Let's update it and save the preview. Check the preview, how it's look like now. Okay, it's perfect. Now come to the original website and check what to design now. So till this it's over, and I have to mention some padding, and after that this session means one heading, one subheading, and after that this is all the man or team icon, whatever you can tell, or person. Okay, so first of all I have to mention some padding. So come here and in design, giving top and bottom both 70 pixel. So save it, and after that let's take another container, keep it as empty. So here I am designing this one, so I need this background color as well. So for the background color for this container, come to this and select, that is the background color what I need. To save it and add the container. I need full width one. So after that I have to add some container full width. Oh, sorry, it's gone, delete. So column of full width, okay, and add element, and here I have direct text block, and that is the I need. This is the heading, I keep it at h1, and this is the subheading, I'm keeping as h4, and everything alignment should be in center. And okay, so save it. Now add another container and 1/3. Here I have to search for the person. So this is the person one. Okay, so first of all I have to specify the person name and title and some dummy content. Okay, I have to upload the picture. Let's take this one, insert into photo, and I have to give some, okay, let's keep an default picture style type, okay, or drop shadow. If you click in the drop shadow, then I mean when you hover on the picture, some drop shadow effect will come. You can give that if you want. Okay, and that is the social custom icon. So for the social custom icon, and give them the brand color. Okay, and give this link empty. Facebook, Flickr. Okay, that's it. So I mean you can give the link of the social media icon of the corresponding person like that. So save it. Let's clone it 2 times and drag it. Okay, now change the name. And change the title also, and upload the another image. I'm taking this one, save it, and here I have to do the same thing. I have to change the name, title, and upload the another image. This should be this one, I think. Insert in the page and save it. Check how it's look like now. Okay, so actually I add too much social media icon, so better to remove some of them because it's not looking good. Okay, so come back here, so remove some of them and keep 1 or 2. Save it. Do the same for remaining. For this also. it should be fine now. So after that, what I have to do, I have to give some padding in top and bottom, and after that I have to make that gallery. Okay, so and I forgot one thing, for this session actually I have to mention that ID also. So here I'm giving the ID name as Zips. Okay, and for this portion, let's check the preview once. And for the session, I'm giving the ID name sorry, here I have to specify that save it. Actually give that and drag it here only. Okay, update it. And preview changes. Yeah, it's perfect now. Let's give the padding. So here also I'm giving like 70 pixel in top and 70 pixel in down. Okay, so for this container I'm taking another column and I'm taking the full width one, and here I'm adding the text box. Okay, similarly here I have to add the gallery. So add element and search for gallery, and here in the gallery I want this in missionary position, and number of image per column I am giving that 3, and column spacing and everything I am giving like that only. And now I have to select the images. Okay, all these images I selected already. So create and insert gallery. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, total 9 images is there. So save it and check how it's look like now. Okay, it's coming like that. Here you can do one thing. If you want to design it, it also look good, and if you want to design it like our original one, means like in full width, like that. So you can do one thing, you have to just come here, and in this you have to make it 100% width, and if you check it now, then you can see this also become full width, I mean 100% width. Let's check. Okay, you can see it's come perfect. So after that, what I have to do, so that is my original design. So after that I have to design the testimonial session like that. So for that I need a background also. So come back here. So I need another container, and for this container I want a background image. So background, here upload image option is there, and that this is the background image I want. So just insert and save it. Here in add container, add the full width one, and here, sorry, what happened, I don't know this one, I need the column full width. Yeah, so in this testimonial, so that is the testimonial. So before the testimonial I need the text one, like this text I need it. Yeah, this is the text. So come in the text box and paste it, but I need this one should be in bold, and it should be centralized, and the color should be in white color. Okay, as a color you have to make it white and save it. Check the preview how it's look like. Okay, yeah, it's come, the background color is come here, and now what I have to do, I have to add that testimonial. Delete this and add another refresh testimonial. Give the author name first of all, and here you can add that avatar if you want. You can make it none also, because I doesn't want to display some icon. Or after that you have to give the company name, and some content. If you want to specify some content, you can give it. So just save it and add another one, edit it, none, company name, and some random text as content, and save it. Here you can see, adjust that bullet or the navigation should be displayed or not, so make it show option, and I want this I doesn't want this classic, I want the design in clean option. Okay, and text color I want in white color. Okay, and remaining keep as it is and save it. Check the preview how it's look like now. Here you can see some background color is coming, so what I have to do, I have to make the background color as transparent. So background color, let's make it transparent. What I have to do, just make the opacity 0 and save it. Let's check the preview now. It should work fine now. Okay, now just give some padding in top and bottom, so this background image should look more good. Okay, so in this session, in design, padding give 80 pixel and down also 80 pixel. Check the preview. Yeah, it's look more good now. Okay, so after that what I have to do, add another container, empty one, and so here I am going to design this SEP recommended session. So here I have to take 4 flip box and 1 heading. Just copy the heading from here only, and okay, so column, single column. I think there is no background color now. Yeah, there is no background color. Okay, so in this element I have to come in the text box and sub recommended and centralized. Okay, right, save it. Now I have to write another column 1/4, and in this I have to add the flip box. Delete that. So here first of all I have to give that heading, that flipped heading, and some content also I want. Okay, let them keep as it is. And icon image option should be there. Let's opt out this one. And okay, so save it, then save. Check the preview. Okay, so here I have to do, have to give some border radius, and border pixel I'm giving as border radius 0 pixel, 30 pixel, 0 pixel, and 30 pixel. And here actually you can see this image is coming very small size. I want it should be little bit bigger, and this subheading also I doesn't want, so remove this subheading. And for this image I'm specifying that width should be 400 pixel, like that. And this, let's remove it, save it, check the preview. And here you can do one thing, just copy it more 3 times and drag it here. And I have to change that name and icons and all. So for that, just giving that automatically, and I have to change the image. Remove it and upload the new image, this one, save it. For another one, brown bread, remove this brown bread and write that mix salad. And here I have to change the images also, just remove it and upload the new one, save it, and for the last one, let's edit it. I'm keeping as apple salad, and here just change that images, upload it, this one, insert into the page and save it now. Okay, let's check the preview once how it's look like. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Now let's give some padding in top and bottom. Design 80 pixel and 80 pixel, save it. Now let's see what I have to design after that. So here is the blog session. For making the, before making the blog session, I have to write some blog actually first of all. So for that I have to go in this blog session, post, sorry, cancel, I have to update it first. Okay, now come to the post, delete this one because I doesn't need it. Add new, give it a random title, some content, and I have to select the feature image. Let's give this one, and publish it. After publishing, click in add new. So write the title, some content, select the feature image, take this one and publish it. My system is little slow, that's why it will taking that much time actually. Sorry for that. Let's add new one. Add the title, some content and that feature image. I'm taking this one, publish it. Let's add another one, blog. Add new one, give the title, some content and add the feature image. So after that, publish it and come back to the page. Home, so now take another container. I think I need the background color here. Yeah, right. So I need the background color. For that you have to come in background, select color, and that is the color. Save it. Now I need a column of full width and need a text box here and write that our stories. After that I have to add that blog. And here I need that grid layout and I need 3 should be displayed here, and order will be descending. So thumbnail, yeah, thumbnail should be shown, and text display I am giving the no text here, and showing meta also I am giving no, page ignition yes. Okay, remaining keep as it is, no problem. Save it, check the preview. Yeah, but it's come total 3, total all 4 is coming. I need only 3, so for that I need some modification. Also here I have to make it also 3. Save it now, check that, and I have to give some padding also in design, 70 pixel and 70 pixel. save it. Let's see how it's look like now. Okay, it's fine now. So see the original website. After that, what is there? So I have to integrate this Google map, and I need this contact us from also. So for that, what I have to do, I have to take a empty container and in column I need 2. In the text field, I have to write that Google Map code. To writing Google Map code, I'm telling what you have to do. Just type Google Map, okay, that is, I mean, take any point like that, and after that here here you have to commit embed map. Here you can select the size, okay, like if you need the small one, just copy that code and come back to your, in the text one, just paste it, and you can adjust the height and width, everything. Okay, so here you can do one thing, you just make that width as 100%, and here it's give that 350 pixel. Okay, save it and update it. Now come to the contact us session. Okay, I have to update it first. In this, I have to make some adjustment here. Before this label and all, I want this name and email like that should be in a same line, I mean in line. Okay, so for that I'm giving the code here. I'm not going to explain here because the image that everything, if I going to explain in this video, the video will be go very long. And if you remember, I add a plugin called column shortcut for this only. Here what I have to do, I am starting a div and ending a div. In between, what I am doing, that I am taking that content column 1/2, means I am dividing a column, I am dividing in a row in a 2 column, 1/2. 1/3 means like it will 3 column in a single row like that, and remaining everything the same, label, your name and the field, everything remaining is the same. So you can save it here, and you have to just copy that short code here, and you have to come back in this page, home, scroll down, So first of all I have to add an element called address, or if you want to write something here like that, so contact us. Okay, so for that you have to do, you have to take the text field, you have to take the text block, your text block, like contact us, heading you can give it h2 as well, whatever you want. And now I need this short code. Take another text field or text block and paste this code here and make it center alignment. So check the preview now. You can see my map also come perfectly, and this contact us, let make it h1 only and give some top and down padding. So for this design, giving 80 pixel in top and 80 pixel in down padding, and make this h2 only, sorry h1 only. Save it. Now what I have to do, I have to design the footer. And check it how it's look like till now. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's perfect now. So now I have to design that footer session. So footer, you have to come in appearance and widgets. Let's update it. Appearance and widgets. Here you can see footer 1 widget, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4, like that. That is so many. So here you can see the text field here, text, just drag it and paste it here. So here is title here I'm giving like find us, and after that I'm giving the address. Save it. Remaining again drag it and paste it here. Giving the title as reservation, and here I am giving the contact details. By the way, this is my original contact details if you want to contact. Okay, this is my real number and mail IDs. And after that again for the text widget 3, you have to save it. Okay, for the open hour, and timing I am mentioning here. Save it. And for the wizard 4, here some meta information should be there. Just drag and drop here. Here you can mention some login or something. Login here or something, you can save it. Okay, let's check it how it's look like now. Yeah, now if you want to change this text, actually this, then what I have to do, you have to come here in Avada. You have to come in theme option. In theme option there should be a footer option. Check it, there should be some footer. Yeah, that is the footer. Scroll down and remove this, and whatever you want you can write that, like designed by Devjyoti Das. Sorry, I misspelled it. Web www.com. My mail ID, and you can save it. Give some space here. Now you can refresh. You can check this writing should be changed now. Okay, it's changed here. Hope you like this video. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and soon I'll give another tutorial on this Avada theme. And last of all, you can do one thing. I mean, see, till the shape option I give this from menu. I forgot to mention the IDs, so that's why it's not working here. So come back in the page. Yeah, here I forgot to mention this menus. Okay, let's check what I give here. Come in the menus. For menu heart I have to give menus. Okay, copy it here. After that, for the testimonial, save it. For the blog, you have to keep the blog only. And for the contact us, give the name as contact. Update it. It should work now. Review the changes. About us is working. Our shapes, menu also, testimonial should work. Yeah, blog, yeah, and contact us also. And whenever you can click, it will scroll to that of person, like that. Our menu, shapes, like that. Contact us. Okay, it's working perfectly. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share and please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.